New tonight at 6, a big reminder from doctors here in our state to focus on your health. Like many routine checkups, cancer screenings were down dramatically since the pandemic began.
And that's why in Waterbury it makes annual fundraisers for breast cancer services even more important. Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera shows us how doctors are trying to help.
Even before the pandemic, it was hard enough to get people to come in for their routine screenings, like for breast cancer.
For every patient, obstacles can be different. Some patients, it's the fear of cancer, and that alone causes them to hesitate and prevent them from even undergoing screening, which could very much change how the cancer is managed.
But Dr. Douglas Hausman with the Lever Cancer Center says the pandemic made it much worse. The same at St. Mary's Hospital.
Over the last 2 years, we've had trouble with patients. Each day we have to go through the schedule and call every patient to say, hey, did you get your imaging yet? And if they haven't gotten their imaging yet, we cancel their appointment and say, you're going to go for imaging tomorrow instead of coming here, and then you're going to come in.
The American Cancer Society estimates around 22 million screenings have been missed because of COVID-19. CDC data shows in April 2020 alone, breast cancer screenings were down 87%. And now, doctors are often catching these cancers too late.
There are more cases being seen at more advanced stages.
The Lever Cancer Center is currently part of a study by the Committee on Cancer, trying to track up-to-date screening numbers.
The hope is that we're beginning to close that gap in order to return to normal routine screening, which we should be doing.
To help get those numbers up, the Waterbury Fire Department is raising funds for the center with its annual fundraiser. St. Mary's Pink Out fundraiser is also happening, which raises money for its breast screening fund. It helps provide free screenings and other breast services.
There's plenty of people out there that, they may have a job and they may work hard, but they just don't have insurance. And every dime they make goes to supporting their family. So they don't have the $200 for imaging, so they don't get it. They choose not to.
The police department here sold hats and shirts internally to help St. Mary's out with their breast cancer funding. Now, if you want to help out with these fundraisers, check out the Channel 3 app for more information. Here in Waterbury, Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.